You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. This is a name of Norse origin, or at least quite common in Northern European country, Denmark, Sweden, Norway. So in Danish and Swedish it's pronounced similarly as Amalie, Amalie, Amalie. Now in English you can, well, it will depend. In English, Amalie, some say it as Amalie or Amalie as well. How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.